How's it going, everybody? Hold on. Give me a second. What's up? How are you? I hope everybody is doing well. I see some familiar faces in the room right now. I'm so sorry. I'm kind of in this crazy. I'm in like my bedroom right now. So sorry about that. Hey, After Chloe. Hey, Skip. Hey, Alexis. My list to my email list that the software that I've been working on with might say is one of the first, if not the first, on the market. Periscope ANALYTIC software. Hey Melissa, how are you? Good to see you. Good to see you for sure. I do not own a business, webinars, and the data. Hey, send you an email. Thank you so much for the Fullscope. Yeah, the same as Alex Pettit's. No, it's not the same. It's a different platform. We were building it at the same time, I think. There are definitely differences in the two, but at this point, I guess it's here nor there because you can access Fullscope right now. There is no cost to it to access it. Now there will be probably different tiers inside there because we're going to be doing some email marketing integration into it and a few other things, which that will be paid and a premium service. But at this point, you get access to all of the analytics that we have available. So you're using Periscope's API, right? Is that still an unofficial API? Yes, unfortunately it's unofficial as of now. So it does take quite a bit of putting things together, but we have been in communication with Periscope, and from what we know, we've sent stuff to them. They have not said stop putting it together. In fact, we're trying to get some emails out to them right now to actually get like some stamps of approval. Okay, I might have gotten your email. Okay, awesome. So that is what we sent out. Here's what you can do for me right now. I am fairly new to Periscope. Is it possible to use it to select groups, or is it public, or is it public only? Well, actually, with Periscope, you can send out private broadcasts, but I think it's only to one person. I think that's how it is, and they have to be following you in order for you to do that. But most of the time, when you start a broadcast, it goes out to everyone, okay? It goes out to the world, and it's a great way to build your list and your community. So if you're not following me yet, please do click this little guy and the number over here. You can follow me. You can swipe right on an Android or swipe up on swipe right on an iOS device or up on an Android device. And with that in mind, you can follow me or share this with your friends. Something else you could do, which is kind of fun, and I'm going to be tracking all of this. I'm actually going to be tracking all of you who are sending hearts and comments. So the more comments and more hearts, I can actually follow up with you later on. So those who are the top engaged people here with the hearts and the comments, I'm going to send out more information. Well done, Casey. Once more step ahead. Awesome. Thank you so much for saying that. I really appreciate it. Do me a quick favor, though. You can do quick screenshots if you want, and you can test it out. Just added you on Twitter. Awesome. So here, I'm going to give you the link, fullscope.tv. It's really simple. Okay, love to chat after I dive in. Here it is right here, fullscope.tv. You can take a screenshot of that. Do you guys know how to do that? Quickly take a screenshot where you click the center of your iPhone and the side of your phone at the same time. You can take a screenshot. There we go. And you can share that right to Twitter as well. And that's going to be really valuable. That's a really great way sharing. And these are elements that are rolling into Fullscope right now. So you're going to come in there. There's going to be data sets. You can track people by when they joined, the comments, the hearts. We have an algorithm that we put together that will tell you who your most engaged viewers are as well. And then you'll be able to send off info to them. Can you good it up, please, again? Can you put it up again? Sure. It's fullscope.tv, Full scope.tv. You can share this with your friends, your followers, and fans. It is free to go into it. You just sign up. Then you're going to go through an email campaign, and then at the end it's going to say, click here to essentially sign up. It's going to send you into where you have to log in with Twitter, and by logging in with Twitter, it'll then send you to a It'll then send you to a dashboard where it will say that you don't have enough data yet to show up in the dashboard. So go ahead and do a scope. Okay, that's what's going to happen when you log in. Can you retarget viewers? That's a great question, Tim, and That's something that we are actually, in fact, going to be rolling in at some point. But that's not going to be a free aspect, just so you know. So yes, Fullscope.tv. Thank you so much. And so, as I was saying, once you do sign up, it's going to say, hey, you don't have any scopes done yet, because it's only after you sign up that we track the data. So go do a scope, and then come back in a little bit and check the data, see what happened, see who's been watching your broadcasts, and then you can follow up with them with Twitter and stuff. Casey is the man. This is super cool. Carrie, thank you so much. Carrie's been testing it out. I have a few other people testing it out. So tomorrow, I'm going to be doing a blab with Kim Garst tomorrow, guys, just so you know. So you're saying I come up with big dollar ideas. Yes, yeah, exactly. But I already had that idea, but you're a brilliant man. I love it. We're going to be doing a blab at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time all about this, like why data is important. Because, obviously, if you don't know what your customers are thinking or doing, then it's very difficult for you to know how to adjust your broadcasts, right? And seeing what your most powerful broadcasts are. Those are some elements that are very, powerful from a broadcast standpoint. Where people fall out, where people, come in, how long people are staying, the average duration of time someone stays in the broadcast. So what we're doing is we're not only looking at it from a broadcast perspective, a drilled down on the broadcast level, but you are also getting it from what we call a full scope. Yes, makes easy webinar. Yeah, webinar's easy. Yeah. So the full scope concept is that you can see what forest. You can see the forest through the trees. You can see what the data is doing and how it's being delivered. I could show it to you. You guys want to see it, or you just want to go and sign up for it? But the thing is, if you're brand new to it, you won't probably get access. You won't see it right away. You'll have to come back after it's populated. Let's support Casey on this. He's done a great job figuring out the data that will be helpful. Yeah, and please be aware. Thank you, Carrie, so much for saying that. I really appreciate it. Please be aware, everybody, that this is in beta, and we are always tweaking it, changing it. Literally overnight, we can add several different features. So be aware that oftentimes, if you don't see something in there now, you go back in and you'll probably see it. Okay, and it can happen just like that. Does it work with Blab? No, it doesn't. Right now, it's for Periscope. It's mostly for Periscope. How to 500 count towards scope per person per scope. No, so I think how our guys are tracking it is it tracks the total hearts, okay, that are done. If you leave and come back, it tracks those hearts. Okay, so that's what we're doing. And if we're not doing it, I'll verify that to just make sure. But what we're doing is we're also kind of looking at it from an engagement perspective. So we're able to take a look at the most engaged people. Just authenticated via email. How do I log in now? Okay, so you're going to get another email, Jeff, that's going to say, great, you're confirmed. Here is your link. You can come on in and start, and then it will do the Twitter stuff. Tim, what's your take on Meerkat? I think that Meerkat is still going to be something in the marketplace. In fact, what we're going to be doing, awesome, Ray, thank you so much. What we're going to be doing with it is eventually we want to have Meerkat analytics and YouTube Live analytics, Facebook analytics, and things like that, Facebook Live analytics and stuff like that. So there's a lot of things that we're growing and adding on, and I have a full team of developers working on this right now, just so you're aware. Has Periscope opened as an API? No, it has not. No, it still is a closed API. After I authenticated via email, it just clocked and never did anything. Okay, yeah, so there's going to be a second email. If you got into the Twitter, let me know when you get to where there's a page with a springy guy and it has the Twitter icon. That is where you click it and you can come in. Take it over, Casey. You can do it. Okay, we'll see what we can do. We'll see what we can do. I'm excited for it. We're just going to keep on building it. And again, please, this is in beta, so just be aware that it's always going to be changing. We're always going to be adding stuff to it. Casey, any thoughts about integrating Periscope with your Easy Webinar for a full broadcast platform? Absolutely, Seb. That was definitely something that has been on my mind for sure, on my partners' minds as well. We definitely were thinking, hey, this would be really cool to integrate. at the very least, we're going to be doing some really cool stuff. And when we do integrate it, guys, that's going to be something awesome. I'm excited to do it. I'm excited for that integration. And there's another one. Why do you need the ability to update our Twitter profiles? Makes me not want to authorize. Update your Twitter profile? What do you mean? No, it just authorizes it. The only way we can get the data from Periscope is through Twitter. So we didn't ask for you to update anything. You don't have to. Maybe you see that we ask for your Periscope handle and your Twitter handle when you're signing up, but you don't have to. You don't have to do that. I will screenshot and tweet you. Awesome. Thank you. I forgot to enter my @handle when signing up. Does that matter? No, it doesn't. You don't have to. We don't require it. It doesn't matter. Glad to hear that. Can't wait for it. Yeah, there's some other stuff too. Just be aware, we also have a CRM platform that we're considering rolling into this as well, so that you can have campaign follow-ups and things like that rolled in. So it's going to be some interesting stuff growing. I'll let you know as I know what we're doing, when it's happening. It says that we are giving you the ability to update your profile when authorizing Fullscope to use. Yeah, I think that, I'm not sure I used it for the first time tonight, authorizing. Yeah, it's authorizing, right. Not updating, authorizing, right. You need to authorize, right. What's the price point? At this point right now, Ray, it's free. We're not requiring a price. This is a free level that we have, and we're going to be adding to this level still, but there will be paid levels at the also in the future. Does it take a while to get the numbers to get the number of hearts? Yes, so once you do a Periscope, just be aware that you do have to come back and it's always calculating that data. So it's only going to be after 24 hours that it's going to essentially, after 24 hours, is it going to essentially then have all that final data for the actual live broadcast, but then it'll also have the replay broadcast as well too. Would love to use it, but I'm not comfortable with giving third-party ability to update my Twitter profile. I don't know if we're updating. I think we're just authorizing. Okay, awesome. Yeah, are you sure it's updating your Twitter profile? I think it's only authorizing your Twitter profile. So let me know. I'd love to know what verbiage you're using there. How is it different than the one Alex Pettit is promoting? Yeah, so this is a different product. I don't really know much about what Alex is promoting. There are definitely some differences when you get in there. You'll see a few differences. I mean, I don't know what Alex is looking at. I'm scoping a review tomorrow. Okay, cool. Awesome. So one of the things I think ours has is, well, one thing that we do have is video hosting. So every broadcast you do, the video is housed and saved in our platform, and you can download it later on. So that's one element. Similar sort of, I guess, to Catch. So that's that. I believe this is standard authorization by Twitter. Yeah, exactly. Thank you, Ray. Yeah, it's exactly right. It's a standard thing that anytime you kind of like opt into anything using Twitter, it's the same concept. The only way we can know what data is happening or is coming through is by doing that. Better than Catch quality? I don't know Catch quality. Ours is hosted with our own hosting, so it's all about the quality of your video, but essentially it looks fine to me when I'm looking at the video. And then you can download the video and upload it to YouTube, and we're going to be creating some different things with that as well. So I'm very excited about some of those elements. It is just a login to verify you're the owner of the account. Yeah, thank you, Win Sora. I appreciate it. Will it record in landscape? So it doesn't have right now. No, it's essentially just like a video. It's just going to house your replay video. It's not going to flip it. If you flip it, it won't flip it yet. That's not something that we're really focusing on as of right now, because mostly we're focusing on the analytics. That's just an additional thing that we've done, where you still have to download it, or you can download the video that we've given you and add it to, say, YouTube and things like that. So you don't actually have to go into your phone. I've just scoped and missed the sign up. I got you. So you wanted to test your data. How did you fund it? Well, the way I fund stuff is this guy. It's self-funded. Everything we do is bootstrapped and self-funded. And I have had a lot of people ask me about we need seed money, and at this point, you know, we're open to that if we have a schedule of how we want to build this out. But right now we're focusing on Periscope and just try to get it as good as possible for Periscope. So most of it is just me. Will there be an affiliate program? Actually, you know what? I thank you for asking. So what we're doing right now, and this is something you might be interested in. Right now we are offering up, because right now it's a free product, right? But there will be different levels in it. Right now, anybody who wants to say promote it out, they can promote out a unique affiliate link, and by doing so, what we're going to do is every 30 days we're going to send you a CSV file of the people that you generate, all the people that you suggest. What am I trying to say? All the people that you send through that link, we send you a CSV file of those people every 30 days. Yes, leads. Thank you. Wow, I can't believe I couldn't remember the word leads. Yeah, all the leads you generate every 30 days, we're going to print you out a CSV file for it. No, it's actually caseyzeman.com/partners. Here, I'll give it to you. If you go to caseyzeman.com/partners, okay, just going to say I'll promote you just so I can do a scope. Oh, that's nice. Where do I get the affiliate link? So caseyzeman.com/partners. Inside there, you sign up for an Infusionsoft. It's going to be an Infusionsoft-based affiliate program. Yes, thank you, Tim, for putting that in. And by doing so, what's going to happen is you sign up, you put all your information in, then you go into the affiliate center, okay? Inside the affiliate center, there's going to be an area to the left, which is going to say link generator. You click on that, and then it's going to see you're going to have a unique link for your Periscope, or for Fullscope, okay? It's going to be your unique link, and you take that unique link and put it, tell everybody about it, put it in a broadcast, put it in an email, and you will then be able to go back into the affiliate center and see all of the leads that you're generating. You'll see the opt-ins that you get, okay? And what we're going to do is at the end of every 30 days, we're going to take that, take your affiliate name, track all the CSV in a CSV file, track all of those leads you generate, and pass it off to you. So, what I would suggest doing, because when you go into that affiliate center, you're going to find a kind of a weird-looking affiliate link. I would suggest, for those who are savvy enough, and I know that we have some people on here who know online marketing and are savvy, I would suggest pretty linking that, doing something like, alexkarras.com/fullscope, okay? Oh, yeah, so it's caseyzeman.com/partners. Does that not work? Let me check. I just want to make sure. Let me check. caseyzeman.com/partners. Yeah, that should work. Yeah, it works. Yeah. Okay. Okay, you got that wrong. Okay. Okay, good. All right, excellent. Oh, thank you for screenshotting. I appreciate it. For those who are screenshotting, I got that. Okay. So anyway, that is pretty much it, guys. If you have not done so yet, fullscope.tv is where you can go to sign up. We're going to be doing a broadcast tomorrow with Kim Garst, and I'll probably be periodically. How is Periscope Brian affiliated with this product? Periscope Brian, he's kind of working as almost like a CMO on the product, so Chief Marketing Officer, right? So he's kind of a part of the team, if you will, right? Okay, got it. Got to go geek out on analytics now. So that's what he's doing. If you go to Periscope Brian, you'll probably be able to get there as well. So either way, you'll get to us inside here. Okay. So please, guys, test it out. Give me some feedback. This is infancy stuff. We're still testing it out. We're still growing it. And just be aware of that as we add to it more and more and more. It's a web-based app, so you don't have to download it. You just go in. It's a browser-based. You go into the browser and you can watch it, and that way we can always add to it when we have new things that we're going to roll out. Okay, so that's why we've created it to do that. It should be mobile responsive as well. Signing up in the AM affiliate deal now. Awesome. And if anybody wants to do a Periscope about it with me, let me know. I'm so open to doing any Periscope interviews or anything like that. So if you guys want to hop on a Periscope together, that would be awesome. I love to support you, man. It's all about innovators and thinking outside the box. Thanks, Ray. Did a scope at 6. Going to check my stats. Yeah, you got to give it a little time, but check it out, see what it looks like, and then of course let me know how it looks as well. So thank you guys so much. Awesome. So are there any other questions on what we just talked about? For those who are just coming in, I would love to interview you, but need to try it out first. Yeah, absolutely. Try it out first. Again, it might change in a week from now. You never know, because we're always adding to it. But I thought, I'd open it up now to you guys so you guys could take a look. You could start the process. And as I said, because it's a broadcast tool created by broadcasters for broadcasters, your input is invaluable. So that's why we're always wanting it. So for those who are just coming in now, hey, I just want to let you know, is it retroactive, or does it only show scopes when you sign up and after? So it only shows it after you sign up with Fullscope. After that time, you'll be able to track the Periscopes into the future. So unfortunately, it's not retroactive at this point. So for those who are just coming in, my name is Casey Zeman. I just let everybody know that Fullscope.tv went live. Fullscope.tv is an analytic and marketing platform for Periscope, but also other live stream applications. But right now, it's strictly for Periscope, and we are in beta right now. So everybody that signs up, you first off can sign up for free to get into Fullscope. There are no upsells at this point. There's nothing in there. It's literally sign up, test it out, and let us know what you think. Okay, and then let me know. Send me an email or something. Well done for bringing it to the market first. Thank you so much. So it's Fullscope.tv. Again, that's Fullscope.tv. Where's the best place to send you feedback? You can send me feedback by going to, if you want to, you can either tweet me feedback or direct message me feedback, or you can even just email me at Casey Zeman at Casey@easywebinar.com. Casey@easywebinar.com. Hey Michelle, what's up? Good to see you. So it's Casey@easywebinar.com. I know I don't have I don't even have a Casey at Fullscope.tv yet. I mean, it's not like it's going to take a lot for me to create that, but we're just trying to get this out so you guys can start using it. So you can email me there as well. How do you plan to compete with other Periscope stat platforms? You know what? I'm in a very competitive market with webinar platforms. We've done very well, 5,500 customers, and we're still pushing. I think the idea is that we listen to our customers and we always improve. And we know that we are not, we are not flawless, right? That's the biggest thing that we take accountability for the things that we put out there, and we continue to add to it and improve it. And it's all about the feedback that you give us. And it's all about how we just relate to you. I mean, that's what it's all about. With Easy Webinar, we weren't the first ones that came out, but we've become kind of one of the most popular products out there due to the fact that we have such a quality customer service. We care about people. That's really what it's all about. So, because the product is not going to be infallible. It's never the case. Casey, I'm Joel, but social media show king. How are you? I'm good. Yes, you do the webinar, so I knew your name was familiar. Okay, yeah. So I'm the founder of Easy Webinar. For those who don't know, and because of that, we realize that things are always changing. Things are always evolving, and it's really the person that's going to listen to the customer and always say, hey, you know what, that's on us, let's try to fix that. Because as I said, software does some crazy stuff. I'm probably crazy for even, being a software person, but I love building stuff that's, that can help people, and that's my biggest thing. So the more I can do that, the more I can help you, and the more feedback you give me, it's just a win-win for everyone. So that's kind of really what it's all about. So if you have any feedback, please let us know. As I said, this is for you. So we want to know exactly everything that you'd love. So you guys are amazing. Thank you so much for the hearts. Thank you so much for coming. Again, have you gotten any sleep? Not really, because I'm also going to be going to Austin to finish up some videos for this YouTube course that I'm doing. So it's like I got a lot of weird stuff going on right now. Fullscope.tv. Fullscope.tv. I did send an email out to all of my list about 3 things you guys can do. You can learn more about Fullscope by going to a webinar more about Periscope by going to a webinar where I teach kind of about Periscope. Also about, I just created a resource guide at CaseyZeman.com. You can see a resource guide, and Fullscope. So that's what I just sent out. Awesome. Yep, got the email. Cool. Good. I'm glad you got the email. So maybe at some point I'll do another Periscope about this, but probably at the very least I'll do a Periscope in the morning and see you guys there. So thank you so much, everyone. You are all amazing, and please do enjoy the replay. Please do share. You can share the replay as well. I really appreciate you guys. You're amazing. It looks like all the ads are for the YouTube. Yeah. Oh, really? Okay. All my emails, maybe that's what you meant. Yeah. Okay. Love you guys. I'll talk to you soon. What's the best way to get a hold of you? Casey@easywebinar.com. Ray is a great way to get a hold of me. What about a blab to talk about it? Yeah, I'm going to be doing that in the morning with Kim Garst. But if anyone wants to set up a blab with me to do any talks, we could certainly do that as well. Maybe like on Wednesday or something like that. That'd be awesome. We could figure that out. And so just email me or direct message me through Twitter. You can also find me on Facebook at Casey Zeman Online on Facebook and send me a personal message there. However you want to get a hold of me, it's up to you. And I'm sorry I'm in this crazy kind of room right now, but check it out. I thought I'd show this because it's kind of, whoa, sorry. Hold on. It's kind of fun. My wife puts up maps on our wall, because these are all like the places we want to go and things like that. But here's one that's kind of Periscope related. Look, a bunch of hearts. Yeah? Heart map. Kind of cool. Okay, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much. I will talk to you all very, very soon. Thanks again. Have a great evening. And if I do another scope tonight, you'll be the first to know, of course. And I can't wait to see you on the inside of Fullscope. And if you do sign up to Fullscope, you can also send a direct message, just a reply message back to me. It will go to me when you do that. So I look at all those too.